Namaste, my friends. Welcome to these floor yoga stretches you can do any time of the day to feel good, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Take a seat in a cross-legged position, then turn your head to your right side in a diagonal line. Inhale, hold on to the back of your head. Exhale, drop your chin down towards your right collarbone. Breathe into your neck. Breathe in and breathe out any tension and tightness. Soften your shoulders. Relax your jaw and your eyelids. And slowly come back to center. Then turn your head slightly to your left. Inhale, hold on to the back of your head with your left hand. Breathe out. Drop your chin down to your left collarbone. Remember to relax your shoulders and to breathe. Each time you exhale, release more tension and tightness in your neck area. Very good. Slowly come back to center and release your arm down. Inhale, reach both arms up. As you breathe out, drop your left arm and place your left hand on your right knee. Then drop your right arm and place your right hand on your left knee. So you're crossing your arms with your right arm on top. Slowly begin to round your spine. Breathe into your back. Breathe into the stretch. Feel free to gently rock from side to side. Slowly come back to center. Release and sit upright. Switching sides. Inhale, reach your arms up. Now drop your right arm and place your right hand on your left knee. And your left arm comes on top. Left hand is on your right knee. Inhale, get ready. Exhale, round your back. Keep breathing. Open up your whole back body. Relax your neck. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyebrows. And here you can also gently move from side to side if that feels good. And slowly come back to center to sit upright. Take a deep breath and notice how you feel. Now bring your arms out to the sides with your fingertips on the ground. Breathe in. Reach your left arm up. Lengthen your spine. Exhale. Take a side body stretch towards your right side. Ground down through your left sitting bone. Open up your whole left side body. Open up your rib cage. One final breath. As you inhale, come back to center. Place your left fingertips on the ground. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, dive towards your left side. Keep your chest open. Keep grounding down through your sits bones. Take your final breath. Very good. And slowly come back to center as you inhale. Exhale, lower your right arm down. Now bring your arms in front of you with your elbows in line with your shoulders. Connect your palms and see if you can connect your elbows, but it's not necessary. Then as you inhale, you open into a cactus position with cactus arms, slightly arching your spine. As you exhale, you round your spine, connecting your palms and elbows. So you inhale to open, exhale to round and contract. A few more. Inhale, open, slightly arching your spine, open across your collarbones. Exhale, chin to your chest, hollow out your belly. Breathe in to open up. And breathe out. Close back down. Very good. Now inhale, reach your arms up, get ready for a twist to your right side. Lower your arms down, rotate your chest to your right. Left hand is on your right knee, right hand behind you on the ground. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Feel free to add a gentle neck roll. Then inhale, reach your arms up, come back to center. Exhale, lengthen through your spine. Turn your chest to your left. Right hand on your left knee, left hand behind you on the ground. See the twist on your other side. And feel free to add a few gentle neck rolls. Take your final breath. Then inhale, reach your arms up, turn back to center. Exhale, lower your arms down. And let's finish our practice together. Inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, unite your palms and place your hands in prayer position. Give yourself a big thank you that you did your yoga practice. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you. From my heart to yours. Hey Yogi, thank you so much for stepping on the yoga mat with me. You did it, and I'm super proud of you. I have this gift for you that I would love to send to you. It's a beautiful flow for gratitude. All you need to do is click the link below this video, enter your first name and your email, and then I'll send it to you right away. So make sure that you get that gift, and then also make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and also share a little bit about your yoga journey in the comments. If you have any questions or feedback or just about how it went for you, I would love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again on the yoga mat. Bye for now.